If you're trying to learn web development and feel confused, overwhelmed, or stuck, this video will save you months of wasted time. I'll show you exactly what to learn, in what order, and what beginners should ignore. Hey, welcome to Israel Tech. If you're a complete beginner, no coding experience, no tech background, you're in the right place. Web development is not hard, but the internet makes it feel hard by throwing everything at you at once. So let's simplify it. What web development actually is. Web development means building websites and web apps. Every website you see, Google, YouTube, Amazon, is built using the same core ideas. As a beginner, you only need to focus on three main things: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Step 1 is HTML, the foundation. HTML is the structure of a website. Think of HTML like the skeleton of a body. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, it's a way to structure content. HTML tells the browser what things are, not how they look. This is always the first thing you should learn. Step 2 is the CSS, the design. CSS controls how your website looks. Colors, spacing, layout, fonts, this is all CSS. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the clothes and style. As beginner focus, box model, flexbox, basic responsive design. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to understand how layout works. Step 3 is JavaScript, the brain. JavaScript makes your website interactive. Examples: clicking buttons, forms, pop-ups, dynamic content, simple explanation. HTML is what's there. CSS is how it looks. JavaScript is what happens. This is where beginners usually struggle, and that's normal. Step 4. Understanding how websites work. Ever wondered what actually happens when you open a website? Let's break it down. When you type a web address, your browser asks a server somewhere in the world for that website. The server is a powerful computer that stores website files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The server sends those files back to your browser. Your browser reads the HTML for structure, CSS for design, and JavaScript for interaction. Then, boom, the website appears on your screen. That's how websites work. Browser asks, server responds, and your page comes to life. Understanding this makes everything else less confusing. You don't need deep backend knowledge yet. Step 5: Git and GitHub, basic only. Git helps you track changes in your code. GitHub lets you save your code online and share it. As a beginner, you just need the basics, not advanced commands. Step 6: Build projects, most important. This is where most beginners fail. Watching tutorials is not learning. Building projects is learning. Beginner projects: simple web page, landing page, to-do app, small interactive features. Your projects don't need to be perfect. They need to exist. Common beginner mistakes. Let me save you from a few mistakes. Learning React too early. Jumping between courses. Copy-pasting without understanding. Not practicing. Comparing yourself to others. Confusion doesn't mean you're bad, it means you're learning. When to learn frameworks, React, etc. Frameworks like React are tools. If you don't understand JavaScript, React will feel impossible. Rule: learn fundamentals first, frameworks later. Here's the simple roadmap again. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how websites work, Git and GitHub, projects, frameworks later. That's it. No magic, no shortcuts. In the next video, I'll explain how websites actually work behind the scenes, in a way beginners finally understand. If you're just starting, comment, start, below. Subscribe if you want beginner-friendly web dev content without the confusion.